Hi, my name's Rybonator, and I got a green screen, which is pretty dope, but it's not the announcement that you came here for. What you came here for is the fact that I quit my job to do YouTube full time. That sentence alone is something that I've been dreaming about ever since I first saw YouTube and watched my first video. But it's also something that is going to keep me up at night and keep me terrified for the foreseeable future because it is absolutely scary. But no matter how scared I am, it is pretty much pure excitement past that because with this, I can put more time into this channel and get to engage with you all more often. So it is nothing but joy coming out of this scary, scary moment. It's all bananas. So I guess this is where I live now, but I just had to change up the decoration. I think it looks pretty good. Now, I quit my job for a reason. One, I couldn't give 110% to two things, and so I decided to give 111% to one thing, and that is going to be YouTube and dice making and general Dungeons & Dragons-ness for the foreseeable future. One of the things that I really like to do on this channel, and one of the things that kind of got me here, I think, was being very interactive in the comments, both on YouTube, Twitter, and even Instagram, and it's something that I wasn't able to do when I had both a full-time job and YouTube, which was more than a full-time job worth of hours. So I want to get back to that. I want to be able to interact with you all because that was one, fun for me, and two, what is kind of the root of this channel, creating and developing this community of awesome, wholesome people. Since I'm doing this full-time now, please don't unsubscribe. Anywho, I don't really have much else to say. I just am hoping that this will help get more content and higher quality for the content that you deserve, and I hope that you stick around with me for this journey. Thank you so much. I hope that you have a fantastic day today. Whew, what am I doing?